Hey guys, Rohan found this fun game which lets you plan and build your own city like this. While building his city, Rohan realized that a city's functioning is very similar to a cell's. In fact, the parts of a cell can be compared to the parts of the city. Here's how. Rohan's city has a boundary that acts as a protective wall and separates it from other cities. Plant cells have something very similar to this. They have a rigid wall that protects them. We call this wall the cell wall. If you look closely, you'll see Rohan's city has another boundary that controls the exit and entry of people and things. Do cells have a similar boundary? Yes, they do. It is called the cell membrane or plasma membrane. The land or surface of the city on which houses, buildings, factories, and other constructions are built can be compared to the cytoplasm in a cell. The cytoplasm of a cell holds its different components together. Did you notice this fancy building in Rohan's city? This is the municipal corporation. It is in charge of the city's administrative work. Can you guess which component of cells this is similar to? Right, the nucleus. It is the nucleus that controls all the activities that take place within the cell. Let us see what is present inside the boss of the cell, the nucleus. The nucleus has a dark spherical body at its center called the nucleolus. Along with the nucleolus, it comprises thread-like structures called the chromosomes. The chromosomes carry genes responsible for passing traits like eye color, height, etc. from one generation to another. So when someone tells you, you look like your grandmother or your father, it's because of these genes and the chromosomes. Let's go back to our city now. A city cannot function without water either. Hence, cities have water tanks to store water for drinking, washing, and other purposes. Similarly, every cell has a vacuole which stores water for the cell. Where in cities do you think people go to eat hot, yummy food? At restaurants. Then, where in cells do you think food is prepared? In the chloroplasts. The chloroplast acts as a hotel and prepares food for the cell. Chloroplasts are green-colored plastids. Like chloroplasts, there are plastids of other colors scattered in the cytoplasm which have different functions. Now, do you see how cities are like cells? And think about this. Isn't it fascinating that cities, despite being man-made, are like the smallest unit of life?